Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
how long are we going to be crying on social media all the time? There's a whole lot of things going on social media about our Biafran agitators on social media. They keep attacking themselves. It's very, very annoying. Seriously, it's very, very annoying. At this moment, a lot of people's spirits has been down as an Ipob member. A lot of people's spirits have been down as an agitator. I'm going to tell you this morning, Biafra in diaspora, we need to think. We can't wait for 400 years like the Egypt kept Israelites in Egypt for 400 years before the Biafra come. Look at yourself. Ask yourself, how long do you think you have in this world? The highest you live in this world, the next 100 years, none of us here will be here in the next 100 years. None of us here. Good morning, Alex. You know, the people who agitate on social media, I mean, those who ginger us, they ginger us on social media. Oh, this is going to happen. This one will happen this time. This one will happen this time. Yeah, I understand. What Nnamdi Kanu did on social media was he sanitized a lot of people. He brought everybody's brain down back to understand the reason of agitating. If they ask some of us now, they don't even know the reason why we are agitating for Biafra. They don't know. When you ask, why are you even agitating for Biafra? They don't understand. They will tell you, oh, we want our own country. We want a Biafran state. It's not just a Biafran state. It's about life. It's about live and let live. This is the kind of life you see abroad. You live your life, I live my own life. That does not mean that there's no corruption. There's always corruption everywhere. But we want a better life. What is better life? If someone should ask you now, what is better life? What will you answer? When they say, what is a better life? A better life is when you wake up and you press the button. You see that button on your wall. You press it and you find electricity. You want to cook or whatever you want to do. Let me just explain it in my own little understanding. And I will start by infrastructure. When you wake up in the morning and you press that button on the wall and the electricity is there 247. You go to your fridge, you open, the fridge is working 247. You press your radio and your radio could work 247. You press your TV and your TV could work 247. That is part what they call good life. You step out of your house. Oh, I'm not done yet. You go to your bathroom. You want cool water or hot water. You'll be able to press that button. You don't need to on generator and you find hot or cold water. That is what they call good life. You don't have to go to well. What do you call well in English? You go to fetch water like this. This thing has been since let me tell you. People, well, you see that thing they call well, you are fetching water like this. That thing was even before First World War. How do I put it safe? It was during the time of Jesus Christ, 2,000 years ago. Now they fetch water like this. 2,000 years, more than 2,000, even more than before Jesus Christ was born. People fetch water. At that time, technology said they go dig ground, come out water. That was more than 2,000 years ago. A better life is when you walk out of your house and you have the remote control of your car. You say, beep, 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 beep. The car sounds and you go into your car and go to work. The distance between your work is just an hour. And you get to work just an hour to your workplace without too much traffic. That is a good life. Majority of you are living in Lagos. You thought you're living a good life. You want to go to work? A distance to your workplace is just an hour, but you are going to spend 6 hours. Some of you don't even see your children in the daylight. You only come back home and make them sleeping. Are being alive? That's not a good life. A good life is when you wake up in the morning, you want to get to workplace. You don't have a car. Yes, you don't have a car. I'm coming. I want to show you something. Ask your brothers in Europe. Ask your sisters in Europe. Ask those your brothers everywhere in the Western world. And they will tell you something. This is a transport card. This card contains money inside. I can swap into as many cars, as many buses as I want abroad. Ask your brothers where they are abroad though. Ask Tinubu. Tinubu was in London before. I think he was in London or US before. They lived there a very long life. I'll be waiting at the column. Ask them. Ask Rocha, Sokorocha. Ask all those your governors. The one who still there for seat and the one who no there for seat. Their children are abroad. Ask them if they are driving or they are using a card. I'm going to tell you what good life is. Don't worry. I don't speak good English. I know they speak grammar. We go to check dictionary. If I want to speak grammar, I can study and bring. I go to speak big grammar here. Here is make people's common man make it they listen to me. That is why I'm using the broken and I'm mixing up so that you can understand me. If not for other people who are watching me from other countries, I go to speak only broken English. Nothing to me. Now with this card you see here, what do you see? This is my face. This is my picture on this card. I'm going to use this card for the whole month. Swapping from one bus to another to my destination. Anywhere that I'm going, I will drop from this bus, enter another one. I will drop from this one, enter as long as I want for the whole 30 days. That is what they call good life. I don't have to use card. If you want to use, they're not going to even collect cash from you. It is only card. Unless you want to enter a taxi. There are also other private operators. But they are not too relevant. They are relevant, but not too relevant. They are relevant. I want you to understand me. They are relevant, 70% relevant. And I can speak for Israel. Those private transportation, they are relevant for 30% relevant. Or even 20%. That is what they call good life. I don't have to cry. I want to go to so place, I'm crying. I want to go to so place, I'm crying. You see, my message to the agitators this morning is this. Those of us who are agitating on social media, I have a message for us. I'm tired of crying without solution. Every time, everybody will just come make video for Facebook. Majority of them, they are just for money. Me, this my platform is not for Biafra. But as a Biafran, as a man of Biafra, as a born Biafran, you can't take it away from me. When you look at my platform, you see Travels Vlog. But it costs me nothing to come here to talk the thing that is paining me. Alex Okoli, thank you very much. Exactly. Don't worry about anybody who is attacking me. I'm not even here to respond to anybody this morning. I'm not attacking anybody. I'm not attacking those people on social media that are come to attacking each other. Or bro, they attack each other. There's no solution. Both DOS, they are disappointing me. I want the DOS to come to social media. Let people ask them questions. It not necessarily mean that they are going to show us their face. They are not showing off their face. Let them come to social. Let them debunk all these things. Nnamdi Kanu went to court. Nothing happened there. They sent him back to cell and said January. Nnamdi Kanu complained. These people may kill me or they are injecting me. Or I just sleep without pillow. They know they give me cloth. DOS or whatever. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to disrespect them, but I'm angry. They come to social media last night. They don't even talk about it. Why now? We don't say some people they get high blood pressure. That Nnamdi Kanu is still there. That guy has lost his mother. He lost his father. He's lost some of his relatives. His father's house is empty. Just because of you and I. Those of you that are in DOS, please think about it. When you wake up in the morning, who is the first person you see on your bed? You see that at your right hand side or your left hand side? Your wife. At the next room, after your room, who do you see? Your children. When Nnamdi Kanu wake up in the morning, where he is, who did he see? Ask yourself, Mr. DOS, Mr. Agitator on Facebook, Mr. Agitator on YouTube. Ask yourself this question. When Nnamdi Kanu wake up in the morning, who did he see? The ceiling. In the dark room. Without a pillow. With no children. With no wife. When you go out in the morning, who do you kiss? You kiss your wife. Oh, darling, I'll see you when I come back. When you come back, what do you see? Food on your table. A nice food on your table with your children. You will eat and you will sleep nicely. Sometimes I cry for this man. He has done enough. Nnamdi Kanu cannot do this alone. Nnamdi Kanu, when he comes, I believe somebody should give me his number. He is not above talking to. Make you know they look down on some people. You see, let me tell you something what Oyibo people they do. Oyibo people buy ideas. They buy ideas from people. Let me see who is calling me. Excuse me. Hey. Hey. Yeah. 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 Okay. 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 In the government. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. 11 o'clock? Okay. Beside. Bye. So guys, let me explain something to you. I don't have time. Today I don't have time. I have only 8 minutes to live here. Now, let me explain something to you. These people agitating on social media, and like I said before, white people, they buy ideas. There are people who think for them. Not everybody feel they think. Oh, the collective ideas. How do we survive? Nnamdi Kanu cannot do this alone. And this is the message I have for all the Biafran in diaspora. All the Ipob, in fact. All the Ipob, those of you who don't take oath, there's what they called machineries. All of us supposed to go get training. And I'm going to read it because I don't get time now again. I don't have time. Today I'm caught on the... I have something very important to do. You understand? So I want to read this something for you guys to understand what I mean. You see, all the Ipob members can get training anywhere in the world. Let me explain to you. The government don't have to interfere. The government of that country don't need to interfere. There's what they call machineries. And I'm going to read this for you because I don't have time. And let me quickly do this. A private army is an armed group of people that are put together by an individual or company, firm, paid by them to fulfill their private goals. As Ipob does so, in every country they get machinery, they get private army where they train people. Let them do investigation on this. Make everybody get whether we go for war, whether we not go for war. What is the preparation? We are tired of agitating, talking without solution. If we go for training now, that does not mean we are going for war, but we are preparing ourselves. Every Israelite are soldiers. Anybody you see pass through here is a soldier. Anybody you see in Israel above 18 years old is a soldier. All Ipob in diaspora, make una go find out all those private army where they train people. Make everybody get that power for hand first. Power of surviving, how to survive in the jungle. Let me tell you something. We are fighting war already. Una don't know say we dey fight war. They are killing our brothers and sisters in the village there. And I'm going to read furthermore. The opposite term is a national army or state army, namely as armed group of people which are put together by a nation, country, state, or defend its people, land, and resources. However, many private armies are nothing more than security advisors, firms willing to rent their service to anyone who could pay such firm may employ former military personnel or national. Some of you will not understand this. They are private soldiers who does not interfere in government at all. From these private soldiers, if you need a security, you can always come there. They will give you security. Do you understand that? If you need training or you need an ally, like for example, you are fighting a war and you want to rent them, they are ready to die. You pay them their money, they will come and help you fight. They are those kind of people. You want them to train you, they will train you. What am I trying to say here? I'm tired of this agitating and fighting each other on social media. What are we doing? Use 70% to find solution. Don't complain 70%. We are complaining even 100% without a solution. My advice is this. We are ready to go for training. If those kind of soldiers there for Israel, them there now, they get private soldiers in Israel. Make una go, just carry head. They will do avuda. Make una train. We want go training. Now here we go die. Every day, every month, no month where we not some people not they go back home. By this December, somebody is going back home. He can't defend himself, he know nothing. You go get the training, you're not going to go to show people say you sabi train. It's not only how to shoot gun, no, how to survive. We are dying already, we don't know what is coming. You don't even know what is coming behind us. Are we not tired of agitating without solution? We need somebody to ginger us more. Only one man is gingering me. Who is Simon Ekpa? Only the guy that is gingering, making me feel I'm addicted to him. I don't know why. But these days, the attack is too much from left to right. They come to complain. I don't want to hear about DOS or whatever. The DOS are doing their own best. Maybe they are doing their best where they can. I'm not going to complain and I'm not going to complain and attack that man. That man is a quiet person. Not be everybody. It was somebody that is available that Nnamdi Kanu used. Not be everybody. As it is, so if he be very strong man, but he know if he talk. But let them find somebody to come and ginger us more. Tell us what is happening. The killing in Biafra land. Let us know. I don't want them to be mute. My fellow Biafra, my fellow Ipob member, all of them are waiting for the heads all over the world. Go and look for the military machinery. They call them machinery. Make we train some people. Now my own be that. I know say make we not train us. Make we go the fight now. Prepare us down in case it go happen. I will know how to survive. People will know how to survive. You see these people, what they call DSS. and the Nigerian army. You see their back, you see their heart, there for back. Can't you see what they are doing in our land? They put fuel station for fire, destroy everything. They don't care about you. You think they care about you? Why not? Why they not do that for not? Why they not do all those kind of things for not? You see what people who are beating our leaders, so all those our governors, our leader, they just keep mute. Nobody can come to condemn and say, this thing what they do, make us stop them now. Take it easy with these people. You are killing young men just because they are Igbos. There's nothing more I can say. I was having a lot to say. I was having a lot to say, but because of I'm called to come and I'm going to do a job now, and it's very, very important. So guys, thank you very much. God bless you. I'm sorry that I can't take much. I was having a lot to talk about this machinery that we should, all over the world, they should go and train us. It's not a sin. They go allow us to train. Now money, those people they want, they go just train us. But there's no time for me to talk more about this. Those of you who are winning on my YouTube channel, don't forget to go and subscribe and win. A lot of you are winning, and I'm writing it down. Go to my YouTube channel, Solomon Okereke Vlog. Go and win yourself 30,000 naira for December. Go and win yourself 20,000 naira. Just 4 people are winning my 100,000 naira. You must comment, watch my video and comment. Any of my videos, just keep commenting. Make sure you watch the video at least for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Make sure you press the like button and just write something that you saw on the video. That's all. The more you write, I'm keeping all the records. Somebody's winning. I don't want to mention his name. Maybe somebody will take him over. So for those of you who are not Nigerian, you can also comment. When you win, what I'm going to do is take your money to a shop, buy you clothes or shoe, and I'll send it to you anywhere in the world that you are. I don't mind if it costs me more. If you're following me and you are not in Nigeria, you are not a Nigerian, whether you are a Ghanaian, whether you are Jamaica, whether you are anywhere in the world that you are, just comment on my video. Keep commenting all my videos. I have more than 300 videos. As you comment, I write down wherever you are, you give me the address. I'm even going to make video and send it to you where I go to the post office. Or in fact, we are going to, before I buy anything for you, I'll have to take you and make a video with you. WhatsApp video, show you, you choose what I'm going to buy, and I'll send it to you. Thank you very much. Don't forget Solomon Okereke Vlog. Peace.